You Choose Christmas by Nick Sherratt and Pippa Goodhart. Christmas is coming and there's lots to do and make. Will you snip out snowflakes or decorate the cake? Spicy smells, ringing bells, a busy, bustling street. Look around and choose yourself a special Christmas treat. Lots of baubles sparkle on the tree. Pick your favourite festive 3. So many jolly jumpers. Which one do you like best? Perhaps it could be fun to guess who might like the rest. If there was snow at Christmas, what would you choose to do? Make a snowman, ride a sledge, or build your own igloo? In Santa's busy workshop, elves stitch and paint and glue. If you were an elf yourself, which job would you choose to do? We celebrate this season in lots of different ways. Which card would you choose to send to mark these special days? Welcome to our festive feast. There's lots for all to share. Would you try a pecan pie or perhaps a pickled pear? Can you choose a special gift for everyone you love? Which gift would you like to get? Skates? An oven glove? The Christmas show has come to town. Would you sing or be a clown? Now at last, it's Christmas Eve. Here's Santa and his sleigh. Choose a place to fall asleep and dream the night away. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Say the You Choose family. If you made a Christmas wish, what would your wish be? Thanks for watching Love to Read with Miss Ellis. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment. Take care. Bye for now.